Sweet. Alright, dude.
What's your name?
I'm Jack, dude. I drive a Corolla S.
Cool.
So.
Hold on, let's slow down a little bit. Oh. So this will be a huge adrenaline dump. Water, man.
The acceleration is just wild.
Yeah, it's pretty insane. She's a little cold right now. Let's warm her
up. Dude, I thought I was gonna die.
Yeah, that's good. So leaving
the race brakes, right? So
yeah,
like you can stop.
We'll go down here.
We were going sideways. How is that safe, dude?
Yeah.
I have the paddle shifters on my car, so
awesome.
I'll shift at like 6,000 RPMs and I think I'm doing something, but I'm not.
Yeah, well, I'm driving, so. Yeah, we don't want to get
I'm geeked, bro. I gotta get a video of this.
So, this is your first time in a Lambo?
100% yes.
Wow, so this is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So I don't think I have to tell you too much about that, right? The Evolution, it's basically the most, right next to the STO, it's the most insane Lambo that, you know, you can basically purchase today. So
like performance-wise?
Performance-wise,
yeah. It's gnarly.
Let me know if you're ready.
Alright, I'm ready, man.
Anybody else would have wrecked right there, without a doubt. You let us maybe. Officer! You think I can going back that way, man? I gotta go back to an event, just right through here. You think you'll let me through? Yeah, when you're in a supercar, bro, we would be in any other car.
Right.
But
my stomach dropped.
Thank you, man.
You're cracked, okay. Oh my god. Craziest shit I've ever done, hands down.
Awesome, man. That's what we want to hear.
Yeah, bro.
So I'm trying to get, if you could do me a big favor.
We will shoot you a promotional video, man.
Listen, dude, I need to get, what's his name, Bobby. Yes. I need for him to experience this. That's one of the reasons I'm here. And we sell this experience. This is a $10,000 plus experience.
Right. That I just got.
Oh, here, hold on. Yeah, well, not that you just got. That's a little taste.